Oh, Jesus. What the hell? Welcome to Picking and Punching. I am the Scoundrel Rob Grimes. I'm an independent professional wrestler, also modern day treasure hunter. Today, we're jumping right back into the CGC box we just got back. We got 20 comic books back from CGC. Last video, we only did 10 of them, and today we're gonna do the last 10. So let's jump into it. As always, I will show you guys first, and down here I put a running tab what the comic books are worth and what the overall value of this box was. So, a little backstory, we did send these in last summer, I think June, when things were really hot, they were comics, and we just got them back. We had them pressed and everything, so let's jump in it. What do we got? Secret Wars number 7. This is the newsstand. First appearance of the new Spider-Woman. That is awesome. I'll take that. Marvel Superheroes Secret Wars number 7 in a newsstand form at a 9.6. As you guys know, newsstands can bring a higher premium for stuff, so always keep an eye out for those, especially when you get the late 80s, early 90s, and so on. They become more and more rare. What the fuck is it? What is this? What? Why am I getting raw books? I guess they didn't grade one of my books. Okay, this is new for me now. Reason the book was rejected, overhang. I don't even know what the hell that means. What does overhang mean? Huh? I have no idea. All right, that's the first time I had a book ever rejected by CGC. Man, this box has been all over the freaking place. All right, I gotta do more research on that. But if you guys know down, let me know down in the comments what the overhang means. And that sucks. All right, what do we got here? Show you guys first. All right, so it looks like we've got the Sensational She-Hulk number 1. It's a newsstand. It got a 9.4. I mean, this is actually perfect timing because the show is about to drop. So I am super happy I'm getting these back. My first order came back after the WandaVision and all the other shows I've already completed. So I am glad to actually get this one back a little bit earlier. But hoping for a higher grade, man, especially in the newsstand. 9.4, but all right, I'll take it. All right, show you guys here first. What do we got? Oh, Jesus. What the hell? A 7.0? Like, man. G.I. Joe, Real American Hero number 32. First appearance of Recondo, Blowtorch, Ripcord, and Lady J. They're supposed to be actually making, I think it's an Amazon show on Lady J, so that's why I sent this in. It was a newsstand, but I don't know. I mean, I see one little spine tick, maybe 2 spine ticks on the back, 1 on the front, but I mean, a 7.0, like, what the hell? I gotta look at the Graves notes on this one. This box is actually turning out to be a freaking mess. Damn it, a 7.0, like. This actually makes me extremely worried because I sent in a ton of G.I. Joe books because they were, they're bringing back the show in 2023 and I think 2024, the cartoons. So I sent in like tons of G.I. Joe books and I thought they were gonna be a lot higher grades, and the way that these boxes are going, this sucks. All right, what we got here? These give me something to redeem myself here. Come on. Oh, all right. There we go. All right. First appearance of Super, or actually this is when John Walker turns into Super Patriot. He becomes the new Captain America at a 9.8. All right. At least we can redeem ourselves a little bit here after the last freaking, the last book. I am extremely happy with that. Let's get some more of those here. Hopefully that one was just an outliner, but damn it, man. That just ruined my day, that stupid freaking 7.0. All right, what do we got here? Show you guys first. All right, Captain America 354. This is John Walker becomes a U.S. agent at 9.6. All right, I'll take that. So these were all sent in during the Captain America TV show and Captain America or Winter Falcon TV show. I was hoping to get them back a lot sooner, but I am super happy with the grade, so I don't mind waiting there a little bit. He's definitely coming back in the future for other things. You know, wouldn't be that big of a character for the show and not use him for other things in the future. All right, what do we got here? Moon Knight #1, Volume 2, 9.4 newsstand. I was hoping for a higher grade on this one. I gotta look at the graders notes on this one, man. I thought this would have been at least a 9.6 or higher. Volume 2, #1, from 1985. Perfect timing, getting this right back as the Moon Knight show ends. Thanks, CGC. What do we got left here? Let's jump into this here. Let's see what we got. Damn it. X Factor #6. It's a 9.4. It's the first full appearance of Apocalypse. Man, I was actually hoping for a lot higher grade in this one, too. Damn it. I thought it was going to be at least a 9.6. But, what are you going to do? It's the risk you take when you send stuff in and get graded. So, alright, I think we have 2 books left, so let's get some big finishes here. Alright, what do we get? Alright, What If #4. I had no idea I even sent this one in. What if the alien costume had possessed Spider-Man? It's a 9.4. I don't even remember sending this one in. That was a nice surprise. I'll take that. It's actually a really cool book, man, with Hulk and Thor on the cover. All right. I think this is the last one. So, all right, let's go with the bang here, fellas. Come on. Come on. What do we get? Captain America 323, first appearance of the Super Patriot John Walker. I'll take that. And a 9.8. All my Captain America books came back super high, which is great. So, it's a great way. I think that was the last box, right? Yeah, last book in the box. Way to finish off strong. So, I am pumped about that. You know, this Spider-Man might be my favorite book in the whole box. Too bad it's a 9.4. I mean, but America's a 9.6. We got a 9.8, another 9.8. But this one, this is the worst right here, 7.0. I don't know what the hell happened. I'm going to do some research on this one. I was expecting a lot higher grade. That is really disappointing. But it is what it is. What are you going to do? Guys, do me a favor. Please like this video. Hit that subscribe button. All right? And check out this other CGC unboxing that we did. And until next time, guys.